This is the handle that we needed to replace. We wanted to get something that was easy to install, something that was nice and comfortable. So this was not going to work because it's held together with tape and it's all sticky and nasty. So we went with the Strongberg Strong Zip Grip. We got that here, and we are going to be installing it. It comes in the box just rolled up. Comes with 2 zip ties. We should install these zip ties first because that little slip is right there.
The zip ties are important because
Yeah,
you don't want someone coming and taking your zip grip.
Right, exactly. Zip ties are zip ties are important because you don't want these coming off. Like if all of a sudden you're driving down the road and then all of a sudden it zips. Zip, 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 and nope. Sayonara. That's what these zip ties are for. So we're gonna go ahead and zip this one on here. And we're gonna zip it, and grip it, folks. All right. So then we're gonna go ahead and add our other zip tie in here.
That's really nice. Wow.
So here we go.
Awesome.
It's nice because it's padded, so you're not slapping stuff and
Yeah.
making a bunch of racket. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the description below, and if this is helping you, like and subscribe, click the bell, you know the stuff.